Many people don't think about it, but there's so much infrastructure that goes into our ability to connect so seamlessly between all our devices. It's a complex web, and I'm behind the scenes helping people connect. I work on the development of a large-scale computer system that is for one of the world's largest communication technology companies. The software that I work on helps telecom providers meet these growing technology demands by helping them to better manage their networks. One of the missions of Hitachi is using innovation to power good: carbon neutrality, sustainability management, industrial and urban transformation. So many applications are being developed: sensors in remote areas, sending back real-time data to help prevent and detect wildfires. Technologies like 5G and the Internet of Things help make these ideas possible.
My name is Angelica Ayao. I work here at Hitachi Rail Honolulu. The project that I'm working on is the first fully automated rail system in the United States. I work as a train controller in the Operations Control Center. Our role is to basically put the trains to sleep during the night, get them ready for service in the morning. We oversee everything that goes on at the stations and the trains, monitoring alarms, CCTV cameras, making sure that our passengers have a safe travel experience. While living in Hawaii, there's a lot of traffic going on, a lot of air pollution. The Skyline helps with reducing the amount of traffic as well as influence a greener energy lifestyle. The Skyline Metro is projected to remove 40,000 cars from the roads of Honolulu per day. It's not a common thing, women working in this type of industry. My motivation for this project is seeing the development and growth of where this project came from, and being able to see my children experience the rail as well, and having my daughter see what I actually do here.
I'm Tasha Coy. I work here at Jerry Automation, a Hitachi Group company. I am a build lead out on our production floor. Growing up, my dad owned a small engines business out of our garage. So I was mechanically inclined. I learned a lot from him, and that's kind of how I got started here. We are working on a project to help with growing agricultural feed. It's been an issue that it's not easy to grow feed due to things like drought or land and water restrictions. We are partnering with a company called Forever Feed Technologies to make a robotic feed mill. My role is to manage the schedule, our budget, making sure that we get all our parts in on time. The technology we are using will produce more feed more efficiently with less water use. The quality of the feed will also be better. And this system will help reduce carbon emissions for farmers all around the country and eventually the world.
Demand for electricity is higher than ever with the push to electrify the grid. Solar and wind power needs to be connected to the grid somehow, and transformers are the key to making that happen. While we're trying to move more towards electric vehicles, we need to install lots of charging stations. Transformers will play a key part in connecting these charging stations to the infrastructure grid. As a team lead, I work to drive continuous improvement and lean manufacturing methodology throughout the factory, bringing together a cross-functional group to make these process improvements happen. The project I led was in the Leeds welding area, where bus bar is welded onto transformers, so it was hard for operators to find what they needed. We removed the low shelves, improving the ergonomics, and also created a standard identification for each of the types. Now, team members take less time to find the specific bar that they need. I feel a deep sense of purpose and passion to do something that is helping the environment. I truly am excited to wake up every day knowing that the work I do is contributing to positive change. My advice to women is to use your voice, asking for help when you need it.
Look for those mentors. Look for those that have gone before you to lift you and support you.
There's a lot of big opportunities out there. Go for it.
Women can do anything that we set our minds to. Don't hold yourself back.